Hi guys, it's me Ella and I'm going to be lighting this sparkler. Look. So you can see, whoa! So my man's got to film me. Show them any fireworks if you see them. And it can't actually spit on you unless you like actually put your hand on. You see the bit where it's like really light? That, if you touch that then you can break it out. That's filming in. If you can see it. Ella. If you see any fireworks, just try and point it. So we're going to go to South Park, but we turned out that we went because